Hey, what's up? This is the R&B sensation, John Michael in the building.
My name is Sandra.
Say Posse, it's your boy Dream.
This is Tremaine.
HCI out here with the brethren.
D-Dog.
Sister Road.
All I got is $85 in this bank account.
I just got my Zulu Deez.
Zulu Deez is all I need.
And they banging.
Banging. They banging.
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 Banging. Banging.
Banging. They banging.
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 Zulu Bees, they banging. You should already know.
So we gonna rock this shit real quick. My man DJ Accoo on the ones and twos. I got my brother Trip live on the drums. Let's rock.
Lot y'all, for hood rock stars, and every black man is sat in the back of a cop car. Rounds to make your mind high straight.
Just don't call it a Trump patch. Oh, 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 oh. Just don't call it a Trump patch. We back.
JERZEE SLUGGAZ reunited.
Yeah, baby, we here.
Where's the back?
In the motherfucking building.
Yo, it's already sweaty up there.
Hey, yo, it's sweet to love cars. Who did he rule? Half man, half animal. Superly zoo.
Where?
I don't have no hope. Your son is around with a gun in the L. For winter. Winters is cold and the summers is hell. Oh, my. You motherfuckers in jail, cause I think who's in town. Unless you get it, ain't no one having this for my heaven. It's all rolling, come back. We back.
Yes, look at that face. Very stern. Conviction is serious. This is Sparta!
This is Sparta!
Yeah. Where we at? All right, I'm going somebody else.
As a parent, you know, raising young black men, trying to keep them from getting involved in the criminal justice system, you have to think outside the box as a mom. And I think that if more parents got involved in their kids' life, we wouldn't be losing our kids to gangs and so on today.
Down dirty like a crackhead looking for a fix. Down dirty like a crackhead looking for a fix. Down dirty like a crackhead looking for a fix. In the back alley on my hustle, shorty turning tricks just to pay the rent. Niggas act ignorant. Niggas sin and praise the Lord in the same sentence. Hypocrites search for a miracle in God's name. It's a damn shame when your religion is fame. Who I blame is the government, poisoning with fear from excessive types of punishment.
With Snax, you better relax. I got a lot of crazy niggas with the tat of a bat to drink bottles of yaks, more bottles of wet. Wouldn't hesitate to put up with bodies in bags. Niggas known for packing the Mac in the back of the Jag. If it's a problem with Snax, my niggas are clap.
Hot tracks hypnotically ripping me. If you got skills, get on this mic, please. In a cipher, can I proceed?
Now I'm fundraised with tongue spray, so one day I'm front page. I check it once, twice, keep my blunts tight and my rum spice. Plus I'm dumb nice, cause MCs need work. Got reverb to be worked. Song reverse with key verb, cause these words be combat. You want contact on bomb tracks, then I'm that. Rhymer for the contract, with mystic, intricate, specific, ballistic, gifted with linguistics so deep you might miss it. Yo, it's crazy, son.
We on. Get it.
Inna the dance land, Lord the God fear the man. Full of Babylon, Lord the God fear the man. Full of Babylon, not I can never die.
Swinging on them 24s, butterfly road.
Yeah.
Jab me to ride, whoa. Tip low, hack cock to the side. Window half cracked in the ride. On my way, you know how we roll. It's just the code of the street.
pimp, let no one pimp me. The anthem round my way, strictly get this money. My mama Snax on the pink phone, do it all alone, and got my blood upon the microphone. Yeah, my mind here shine, and then you do it for the nation. Shit for the alley vibration.
Say pour tout le monde, moi. Moi parler pour tout le monde, moi. And this Sunday, moi. Moi parler pour tout le monde, moi. Sit down, listen to me. Parle avec moi, talk to me, understand me.
It's heavy tat. We make them niggas duck like them are flat. I'm all up in your hot top. When I come spill, it's like hazmat. Burning Babylon, we pick up Babylon, if we burn, perpetual will burn forever.
Oh shit! Oh God, God!
That's a new edition shit, real talk.
Excel. I think niggas listen and act like the dads in the project.
Excuse me, do you know which way to the laboratory? Is that way or that?
You still gotta pay $15.
$15 to park here.
Yeah, bro.
15 $1 bills. 30, 50 cent pieces. 15,000 pennies.
The park here. Like is that on, bro?
Banging. Zulu Nation salute.